Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. And today I am very well because I am watching one of my favourite little G bands, Gfriend, and their new comeback, what's it called? Summer Rain. I know this is like a repackaged album, but the other music video and song, I haven't listened to the album or the mini album, whatever it is. It wasn't my fave. Like, I think it's cute, but not my fave. So I'm excited for this one to see if they're going out for like a different kind of vibe. So I just want to watch it. Gfriend, Summer Rain, 1, 2, 3. Let's go. I did read something about how like one member, guessing, only one member's in the rain or something. Did I read that right? They've all gone back to like debut hairstyle, apart from obviously the bob. Whoa, took a turn. Cute. Where is that? Sibby looks so good recently. I'm loving her, like, I don't know what she's doing recently. She's styling her so differently, but she looks great. It's a bit tad slow for me. Is that wall meant to have 1k written on it? Talk about sponsorship. These dance moves aren't going as hard normally. I don't think this is my fave. I'm just going to throw it out there. Yeah, we've hardly seen So On. I quite like the instrumental bit. Dude, whatever I read about only one of them being in the rain is complete lies. Jessica. That'll be So On's only line. The words are coming up, but it's not making much sense. At a crossroads, hiding the moon in the light sky. They all look so sad. I like happy, oh my god, Gfriend Yas dances. That umbrella's cute though. They're saying rain is beautiful. I don't know about them, but personally, because we have rain all the frigging time here, I don't think it's that beautiful. Oh my god, the room looks so much prettier now with all the lights in it. Oh look, she's cute. She has seen something she didn't want to see. Take it higher, you do. Her like bunch things are cute. I feel like for some reason that's the hairstyle that Sunny from like GG would do. These umbrellas are really cute. I love the clear umbrellas. I like this bit. The door just moved by itself. That's weird. That's like a cute building. I don't know where they filmed that, or like if that's a set or a legit building, but that's quite cute. Maybe it was that Una's the only one in the... No, they're all in the rain. Or are they all hiding from the rain? Meaningful stares into the distance. Oh, we got a little few smiles at the end. My girlies aren't that sad. Is it raining now? No, it's just stopped raining where I live. I was going to get drenched. All in all, I thought that was cute. Not my fave. Not the most exciting video to film a reaction for, to be honest. But, oh well. Thank you all very much for watching. And I shall see you all hopefully very soon. Bye!